How you going, guys? This is just a video about making the head unit like yours. It's a bit like when you set your car up, right? You get your car nice, you have what's going on, especially if you're into camping or whatever, and you enjoy it because you've done these little bits to it and added to it over time. And that's a lot of reason why people hold in their cars, right? Because set up to exactly how they want it. Now on a head unit you can do the same thing, because our head units are Android based, plus we have plenty of other add-ons. You can install the things you want and set the head unit up to how you want to do it. So a lot of our customers are like, oh, I don't really care, I just need all the factory stuff on the car that I was working on the old unit to work, and I want wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, and I want something that boots up quickly, has a crisp display screen, and is fast. So in that case, we've pretty much just taken out their old one, they've chucked in our new one in, super clear screen, fast, quick boot, wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, happy days. That's a lot of our customers. That's a pretty basic use case for it. But then obviously, because our units run Android on there, it's a bit like having an Android tablet on your dash. That's when it comes quite cool, because you can put apps and different softwares on there, so that people are like, cool, I want to use YouTube music offline and store my music on the head unit. You can do that. I want to run in an off-road GPS map and store the maps in the head unit. Yep, you can do that. The maps, Aussie Explorer, etc. They might want some actual AI installed directly on there, so they can talk and dictate to it. Netflix, car scanner, or talk, which hooks to the OBD2 dongle, which we include in our kits. You can see your trans, temp and stuff. Yeah, so that is cool. I guess the options there are pretty much endless. So that's why people get excited about our units, right? And then we have our add-ons. So you can add a dash camera that integrates into it, tire pressure, a battery shunt. You can plug Starlink into it to give it internet. But at the end of the day, the whole point is you're driving along and you're like, well, I want to see my trans temp. So it's boom. That's one of the things I use the unit for. I want the wireless CarPlay. Boom. Cool, that's happening. I love that. And it's I want my tire pressure, boom, on my car and Caravan. Okay, now that's in there, I've got that. Oh, I want my Caravan rear view or reverse camera coming into the head unit. Boom, I've got that, I'm happy. And I've got my Starlink hooked up to the head unit. So all of a sudden, this becomes a really handy tool built exactly how you want to use it. So it's just a bit of a discussion starter, and that's why it's quite cool with our head units, because they can do a lot of things. And the best thing to do if you're I know you're in shore, just ask us, say, hey, I want to do this, this, and this. What's the best way to get it happening? And we're more than happy to help you out.